Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to create bootable Windows 11 USB. So let's get started. In this video, we will see how you can officially create Windows 11 bootable USB drive. And we will see the step-by-step instructions for this. Let's start the process. You need to go to the official Microsoft website. The link has been mentioned in the video description, and when you go to that link, this page will open. Download Windows 11, and this page serves the latest media for Windows 11. On that page you will find create Windows 11 installation media heading. Just below that heading you will find download now link. Just click on it and save the media creation tool to your device. Here you can see that the media creation tool has been downloaded on my system. Now let's minimize the browser and launch the media creation tool. When it starts, you will getting a few things ready screen. Then you will be asked to accept the licensing terms. Just click accept. Next we have select language and edition. So quickly select the language you want for the Windows 11 installation. Be careful with the selection here and make sure you select the correct language, because when you upgrade this installation later, you will need the same language ISO file. Then click next here. Then in the next window, under choose which media to use, select USB flash drive. Click next. Now here you need to plug in the USB drive which you want to make bootable USB, and just click on the refresh drive list here. My USB drive is showing here, so I just select it and click next. Now make sure your system is connected to the internet, because next we will be downloading Windows 11 from Microsoft servers. So here you can see that the downloading has been now started. Let it progress to 100%. So few moments later, here you can see that the download progress has been reached to around 100%. After the download has been completed, the tool will verify the download, and after the verification process, it will start creating Windows 11 installation media. Again, this has to be reached to 100%. So few moments later, we are around 100% to create the Windows 11 installation media. And finally, here we can see that we have the screen. Your USB flash drive is ready. This means the Windows 11 installation media or the bootable USB has been created successfully by this tool. Now we can finally click on the finish button to close the Windows 11 media creation tool setup and continue with the Windows 11 setup that is launched via the bootable USB. That's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.